Hey y'all, we're back. Me and 350. She's a little shy today because it's been a while, and also today is the day, I was gonna say of love. I mean, it is the day of love, but that's a big word, that's a strong word. And today we're introducing y'all to someone new. So, we haven't said the L word, so we can't, oh my gosh. Anyways, making this a little uncomfortable. Stop it. Okay, anyway, today we're gonna introduce y'all to someone new, and they've been in our lives for a little while. There's no better day, there's no better way than today. Valentine's Day. So, for the very first time, and hopefully not for the very first time and for many more to come, please welcome Freddie! He's a little shy. I don't know what's happening with everyone's nerves today, but let me introduce y'all. Hey everyone, meet Freddie! Freddie the air fryer. Freddie, say hello. There he is, he's awake and he's ready to rumble. Freddie is the greatest friend. I didn't mean that, Freddie. Freddie is more than a great friend. I don't know why I said that. Freddie has been there for us and for doing, well, I'm sorry, I'm nervous now. So Freddie's fantastic, and we're gonna give Freddie the recognition that he deserves today by letting him air fry something so amazing. Actually, we're gonna do two things, and wow. He's just gonna show us how great he is so that y'all can see that he's a great match for us. Here we go. We're just gonna get right into it. So today we're making some air fried bites. We're gonna make some bananas wrapped in crescent rolls with melted chocolate on the top. And as you can see, I spilled some of the chocolate, which is so not like me, because if you know me at all, did I just drop another one? Where did that go? Anyways, as I was saying, wow, I'm so nervous today. Okay, that's better. Anyway, so we're also gonna need some cookie dough, which I made this myself. It's like a little individual portion. So I just made a small batch, and we're gonna do crescent rolled cookie dough and bananas and chocolate and all the favorites. But can Freddie do it? I know 350 can. No offense, Freddie. Anywho, let's get started. Step number 1, try your cookie dough. This should be the first. This should be a step in between all the steps, but don't eat all your cookie dough because then you won't have any left for when you do your crescents. This is so good. I could just eat this all day. Do we even need to make anything else? We do. We have to show what Freddie can do. So it's time to unwrap our crescents. Take them out of the container. And if you know me, this terrifies me because the little man pops out and I never know when he's gonna pop out, and it scares me so bad. So I can't do it with my eyes closed. So maybe if I just keep talking to y'all the whole time and I don't even look at it, then it won't even be happening. He didn't even pop out. Come on, Flannery. Keep talking and you won't see him, and then he can't scare you. Woo! Oh my gosh, he still got me. I was looking right at him. Did y'all see where he went? Anyone? Where did he go? I hope he left. Well, you know what? He probably just popped back into a different container. It's like telekinesis. That's not the word. Teleportation. He teleported. Is that when you're in two places at once? He jumped from this container into another container that I don't have here. I don't have any of these containers, so that he can't come out and scare me anymore. Nice try, little guy. He actually is super cute, so I don't know why I'm so scared of him, but he just needs to give me some warning, you know, because it's so scary. So luckily these already have lines on them, so it's super easy for me to just unroll it just like this. It's magic. Y'all can't see very well, so I'll do it this way. Why is there a hole in my dough? Oh gosh darn it. Who put that in there? So now that our crescent dough has been unrolled, there is 4 plus 4, 8 triangles. So we're gonna separate them so that they're actually individuals. and then we'll get rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. What? Y'all, when is someone gonna give me a record deal and, put me on the dance floor? Next step, we're slicing and dicing bananas. Actually, we're only gonna use one banana because there's only 8 crescent rolls, and I'm gonna cut the banana into small pieces, and I'm also using cookie dough, so 1 banana it is. Y'all know how much I love a slice and dice moment. I don't know why I'm talking on the phone. Hello, Flannery? Yeah, it's me, Flannery. You wanna come over and have some air fried banana bites and cookie dough? Perfect, see you soon. Also, do you peel it from here or from here? So much information. And now it's assembly time, assembly time, assembly time. It's time to make our crescents into crescents and not little triangles. A crescent is a half moon. Oh my gosh, I just blew my own mind. We're taking triangles and turning them into half moons. Sometimes there's they call a crescent moon. I'm gonna have to pull up a photo. Does a crescent roll look like a crescent moon? Flannery, find out this information, say it. That's not a crescent moon. That is a banana. That's a banana. So see, that one looks more like a crescent, but also looks like I just wrapped something in the dough. Also looks like Christmas, when sometimes you're not sure how to wrap a present, and so you just put it in all different directions. That's what it looks like. But it's gonna be delicious. Well, y'all, they're all assembled and they look nothing like crescents or moons, so let's see what Freddy can do with them. Can he work his magic? Let's see. Freddy! He's here. All right, Freddy, we're gonna put you on dual cook, air fry. You don't need 20 minutes. Let's do 400 for 10 minutes. We're checking you, cause this is not a test, but you know. Now I know what y'all are thinking. Flannery, I thought you said there was chocolate in this. Well, here it is. Oh, it's like looking at a waterfall, but better. It's a chocolate waterfall. Yo, would you look at that? Would you look at that? That is absolutely perfect. That is restaurant quality. That is bakery quality. Presentation, A+. And I did the presentation. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. But who air fried it? Who did that? Who did that? Freddy did. Freddy did that. Wow. But does it taste good? That is the real question, because it looks amazing. And a lot of times, some things that I make don't always look right, but it's the taste that matters, and this looks right, so does it taste good? Question for the ages. I guess we'll have to do a taste test. I'm really hoping I get one that has banana and cookie dough in it, because that would be A+. I think this is the one. It smells so amazing. That is so good. Wow, that is a banana and cookie dough. This is amazing. I love this. Well, Well, y'all, that concludes this Valentine's Day episode of Flannery Food Fridays on a Tuesday because it's Valentine's Day and I just had to introduce you to someone new in our lives. And I did say the L word, I've been holding off, but how could I not love this? I mean, it's so stinking amazing. I'm gonna have to eat another one and then another one. And, you know, obviously I was saving some for later, but I'll just eat another. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and tell all your friends. Guess who's back? Flannery's back. Yes, she's back. Yes, she's back. And then I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. Oh man, I can't get up. Gosh.